Hello, I'm Amit Rawat.
My name is Dhaval Kapadia.
This is Shivam Jadeja.
And I'm Bijan Adhikari.
And we are here to propose an upgrade to the biomass stores used in rural India by replacing it with solar induction stores. And this is what we are going to discuss today. So let's start.
Product introduction. So, the name of the product is a biomass stove, which is very much becoming popular in India nowadays. The main usage is for cooking purpose, and the material which is used to manufacture it is called mud, and it can be very easily made by the village person or anyone, any of the people. People use firewood for biomass stoves, which they collect from their nearby forest, which is very easy to do that. Nearly two-thirds of the rural Indian population and 3 billion people worldwide use biomass stoves. Our team is focusing on two major SDGs, which is Goal 3, that is good health and well-being, as well as Goal 7, which is affordable and clean energy.
Problem description. The problem with the mentioned biomass stove is that it runs on the Earth's non-renewable energy resources, so those resources will be depleted in the next future. Even it creates indoor air pollution, which can increase the health risk for the users. As shown in the figure 1, 3.8 million people die every year because of the household air pollution.
So to solve this problem, we suggest the solar induction stove. Now let's analyze this solution through the four smart design lenses. Let's take a look at the technology lens. Currently, the biomass stoves are made out of mud. Firewood is burned to produce heat. The problem with this is that the smoke fills the room, posing a significant risk to the user as it contains dangerous gases. Another problem is that the firewood is collected from the nearby forests and it causes forest depletion and degradation. Alternate solutions include LPG stoves that burn smoke-free but still produce NO2, which can cause respiratory problems. There are also electric stoves that burn smoke-free and don't produce NO2, but still pose some risk of burns and fire injuries as it can stay hot even after it has been turned off for a very long time. The solution would be solar induction stove, which uses a high frequency magnetic field to generate heat. It is powered by a solar panel that uses the freely available solar energy and hence is a clean energy source. So, by using this stove, we are harvesting the clean solar energy. There is no smoke release, there are no burn or fire injury risks, and it is easy to install in remote locations such as rural parts in India. The limitations of this setup is the initial setup cost is very high and the non-ferrous materials will not work with stove.
When we do the solution analysis through a human lens, it covers two goals of the United Nations SDGs because of its increased efficiency, no indoor air pollution, which are addressing goal 3, which is good health and well-being. Solar induction stove also covers goal 7, which is affordable and clean energy because of its reduction power consumption and forest ecosystem prevention. It is perfect set for the Indian users because of the good availability of the sunlight throughout the year in India. And the government of India is also providing support by giving subsidies on the eco-friendly products. So figure 4 shows the relative emission of fine products in which electric stoves creates the least pollution. Well, the advantages of solar induction stoves are it is not harmful to humans as it doesn't create indoor air pollution. Even there is no risk of explosion or accident. It is It is easily operable and movable, and user can use these stoves free of cost throughout their life, and there is no operation charge. In addition to that, it is also beneficial for countries' development as government doesn't has to use its resources to control the air pollution to some extent. And it also helps to save non-renewable energy sources. Figure 5 shows that in India more and more people are using clean cooking technologies because of their benefits.
Now, talking about the business lens, the efficiency of the stove is much more than as compared to other stoves and prepares food faster. The stove is much more affordable as it uses renewable source to prepare meal. As compared to previous years, and these years, developing countries like Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, India, the population are moving towards usage of these stoves due to its safety and affordable prices.
When we analyze solar induction stoves in the context of nature lens, we find that solar induction stove is a renewable source of energy that generates electricity without emitting black carbon. Here we achieve goal 3, and from the data we can see that a single 5 kilowatt power solar panel prevents 3.3 tons of coal, 8.47 tons of carbon dioxide and nearly 23 kilograms of sulfur dioxide. So it helps to prevent environmental pollution, and the electricity which is generated through the solar panel is cheap and is free of cost. So from here we achieve goal 7. The graph demonstrates that the installed capacity of solar panel has been progressively increasing since 2005. So the higher the use of solar induction stove reduces emitted emissions such as black carbon, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which helps to prevent the climate change. Also, the collection of biomass is a lengthy process, so it helps humans to save time and there will be no destruction of forest for the firewood. Now we are moving towards the conclusion part. At first, we look at the design of the biomass stoves and their problems, and then propose the solar induction stove as a solution. And then we analyze the solution through the 4 design lenses. So finally, we can conclude that the solar induction stove is an environmentally friendly, human-safe, cost-effective product using a renewable source of energy. And the solar induction stove will have a huge popularity in India. Thank you.